Today on Relish Rick's Recipes, we're going to do something called a hot diggity dog. Okay, I've pre-cooked a hot dog and an egg, and instead of a hot dog bun, I prefer a bread, and then we'll do a pepper jack cheese. Then we'll put in the egg patty that I prepared earlier. And last but not least, the hot dog. I also cut some fresh jalapenos for this meal. Okay, now I'll put it in the microwave. I pre-cooked everything. I just put this in to melt the cheese. And let's see here. Now, some fresh jalapenos. Just what we needed to top this new recipe, hot diggity dog, off. Now, the only problem is trying it.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Which we'll have to should have used bigger bread. But that is great. That's good. Good and hot. Also, if you would like a little hot sauce on yours, I prefer that also. Bring the spices out. Or any condiments if you want. Well, enjoy. A biento. Next time on Rick's Recipes, I'll be chowing again.
Oh dear, you're enjoying that, aren't you?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh well, not in the Jersey, huh?
Yep.
Yes.